And now, thank you for still watching and keeping watching our video right now. And we are here now in Numbers chapter 3 verse 42. The word here, first word here is we weye paked. It means it is a verb kalwa consecutive imperfect third person singular, and it is main verb used in a sentence. Then the next word is Moshe. This word Moshe is a proper noun and it is a subject because the meaning of this Moshe is Moses, word name Moses, and it is a subject used in a sentence. Then the next word is Kayesher. Kayesher is a conjunction in a word. Then it is a clause introducer in a sentence. Then the next word is Shewah. Sewaya. Then it is a verb pale, perfect, third masculine singular, and it is a verb of clause used in the sentence. Then the next is Yahweh. Yahweh is a proper noun and the subject also in a sentence. Then Otso. Otso is object pronoun, third person masculine singular, and the uses of this is a direct object in a sentence. Then the next word is et. Et is a particle and it is a modifier in the sentence. Then Bekor. This word Bekor is a noun masculine singular and it is the object of the sentence, used in the sentence. Then the next word is bain. The word bain is a preposition plus noun construct, and the uses of bain is the preposition of praise in the sentence. Then the last word is Yisrael. Yisrael is a proper noun used in a word. Then it is a genitive used in a sentence or in a praise.